Hello everyone, my name is Morris and I will be your instructor for 5 months. Our course subject is Finance 10, which is all about capital markets. Objectives and expectations of each topic in this course will be provided in the coming video presentations. Modules will also be sent to you through our learning management system, which will include video presentations uploaded in your YouTube. You may subscribe in the channel and check videos in relation to this course. Links will be provided to you. Videos will give discussions about our course, which you could check always in case you forget things about the topics discussed. A syllabus is also included which summarizes the course. It will also include the grading system, so check it out. Slide 1. This course will be tackling capital markets, which is intended for business students like you. It will focus on the different financial markets and financial market instruments. This will deal with the relationship of the financial market with the government and how the latter stands as a powerful, influential tool. Capital markets will also discuss the capital market theory and its efficiency and implications, establishing its coherence with the rest of the financial institutions within the financial environment. What is a capital market? Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds and stocks. The buying and selling is undertaken by participants, such as individuals and institutions. Capital markets helps channelize surplus funds from savers to institutions which then invest them into productive
Go.
Capital markets help channelize surplus funds from savers to institutions which then invest them into productive use. Generally, this market trades mostly in long-term securities.